bless. I say to you, right on, but I'm not gonna hurt you if you never sing along. 'Cause all that you can see ain't nothing but you and me. Well, give me love, don't sell me fear from your mystery. I'm living for this, you're living for that, but it's all the same. me. I tuck them in my memory tonight. Think of what you wrote to me, the words that ring inside me like a bell. Maybe it was meant to be, maybe things will work, it's hard to tell. Gone tomorrow, here today. I'm leaving on a southbound train. You don't know what I've been through. You tell me it hurts, well it hurts me too. Learn to trust your heart someday. Some will pass and one might stick around. Share with me a winter's day. Make me feel at home inside your town. Gone tomorrow, here today. I'm leaving on a southbound train. You don't know what I've been through. You tell me it hurts, well it hurts me too.
Thanks so much for watching us for the Air Show. Got a couple more here for you. This next song is called Nursery Rhyme.
Something I would ask you without question, 'cause I know that you and I were built to crash.
got one more for you here. Thomas Gallagher's up next, so stick around.
When you said it was up to me, I was down and out, you see. All I heard you say was la-di-da, and you were off key. Oh, King, I am on my knees. Is it up to you? Is it up to me?
Oh boy, better run away or the man might take it all today. When I said I was feeling low, I was higher than high, you know. Someone come and knock me off of my high horse and look out below. Oh boy, how could I foresee? I was once like you, I was on my knees.